Right, probably selling more Land Rovers than any UK Land Rover dealership, certainly supplying you with cars that you can't buy at a Land Rover dealer. This has just arrived, and it is absolutely incredible from the specification to the price. It's a 2022 72 plate Land Rover Discovery 5. Now this car is a D300. It's an aerodynamic SE in a Hakuba Silver with a black pack, but it's all about the price. It is the best price 72 plate Discovery for a D300 in the market today, which means that if you're looking for one, you cannot go to the dealer and buy one of these cars. You can order one, of course, but it'll take you 2 years, maybe just a little bit less to get your hands on it. This is physically in our showroom, available to collect today. It's done 4,000 miles. It's got an opening sunroof, it's got a two-tone interior, it's got a removable tow bar, it's got 21-inch wheels, it's got black styling package, it's got roof rails. It's incredible, and it's physically available right now. The new shape Discovery 5, of course, looks very similar to the old one, but lots of different advancements in technology, like the lighting system. We've got the HSE style dynamic grille, black badges, black bottom sections, full Pivi Pro infotainment system with 360 camera. Of course, the new model now has these painted arches, painted bottom sections. We've got the 21-inch black wheels, fixed side steps. I'll show you the inside in a minute, but the new one comes with adaptive cruise control as standard in an aerodynamic SE. This one's got roof rails, privacy glass, LED rear light. It is, of course, a 300 engine. That is a big, big feature. It's 300 brake horsepower. Obviously, a lot of these are 250s, rare to get in a 300, and even rarer to get on a 72. Electric rear shelf, you see we've got the load covering, 7 seats up, which are foldable easily with these little levers here. We've got air suspension, and we've got a removable tow bar, which is situated under that boot floor, which I can't show you unless I put the seats down, which I won't do because it'll take too long. From the rear, you'll see the black stylings. We've got a black roof on this car, black rear spoiler and roof rails. You'll see that I've opened the roof as well to show you that. Keyless entry. And then the inside, so we've got the two-tone ivory and ebony leather interior, which I love, and especially against the silver paint. It suits the car down to the ground, really brightening up the space inside this car. Dual sunroofs in the Discovery. Obviously, we've got one in the back. We've got the one in the front, which opens. Memory seats for driver, full electric seat, Meridian sound system, automatic gearbox, heated seats, Pivi Pro interface. I'm going to show you all that as we go into the driver's side. But as a car goes, the Discovery 5 for me is a family car. It's 7-seat. It's big. You know, if you're going to put something in the boot, it does all that. It's got loads of capacity, but it's also a brilliant driver. I do like using these cars when we get them into stock. I'm always jumping in one of these because of the way that the driving position is. Steps help me get in it, of course. Jumping up into this car, it's got ground clearance, drive height, great driving position. And then the features of the Discovery, so colour driver information system, adaptive cruise on the steering wheel. This steering wheel is redesigned. Metal paddle shifters behind, and then the two-tone dash, or the Ivory dash. Pivi Pro interface, as you'll see, is loading up now. Navigation, Bluetooth, smartphone interface, which is wireless. You jump in the car, your phone's connected. It uses Apple or Android CarPlay without plugging your phone in. Then it is a four-wheel drive vehicle, of course, so all your four-wheel drive and terrain settings as I go through, you can see them there. We have this wonderful, wonderful camera system, so reverse, top view, and 3D surround view camera. You can play with these cars all day. Your seat selections, so we've got electric seats, we've got heated seats. By pushing that, we can make a twist for the heated seats. By pulling it, we're back into climate control and your fan. Little space behind here, which is cool to hide some belongings if needed. Obviously digital climate control, heated front and rear seats, automatic gearbox, different four-wheel drive modes selectable from this little jog here, space under the armrest, electric sunroof, black headlining. What a cracking car. It's only done 4,000 miles, Land Rover warranty, just short of 3 years, still remaining. So all your brilliant benefits you get from Land Rover, like breakdown assistance, like warranty, all in place on this car. It's in a brand new condition. It's done 4,000 miles. It's on the website. If you're looking at this car and you want a Discovery, you want the newest one, you want with all the right specification, this could be the car. My name's Richard. Use my number on the screen. Give me a call. Thanks for watching.